guys, today I'm reviewing the Fidget Cube. What noise is familiar to you? Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Maybe you like this noise. I don't know where this would come from. Rolling of a ball. Going in hands like this. Okay, so you can press this, or you can roll it. And then you got this. Each one of them click for me. But if you were to get a better, more expensive one, this one would click, this one would click, and this one would click. And these two would be silent. And then we got the rubbing. Rubbing. My favorite one. So soft. And I got this at Runnings. In a little box right next to the cash register. They're selling fidget spinners too. Hey guys, I think that's it for the video. Maybe. I'm sure you're going to be using this in class at the end of the day. Okay, use these in class. Might have gotten banned, maybe not. But yeah, about this side. My least favorite because it's super hard to grip. It clicks too. Listen to this before you leave.